What I wish I knew: never wear white in a monsoon. Also, spicy food is a survival hack in the cold. Let's test street food in weather that fights back. First stop: monsoon dumplings. Steamy, soggy, impossible to drop. Pro tip: chopsticks are a liability in wind. Go for a sealed box. Flavor: still killer. Texture: a soggy triumph. Next, snowstorm shawarma. Hands numb, wrapper frozen, but that garlic sauce hugs your face like a blanket. Cold concentrates flavor, surprise win. Final round: extreme heat noodles. Sweat level immediate. Spicy broth becomes both delicious and dangerous. Hydrate or regret it. Bottom line: great street food adapts. Pack napkins, dress smart, and respect the weather. Hit follow if you want more ridiculous taste tests where the elements try to sabotage lunch.